The wandering albatross. Growing up to 6.5 to 11 feet and living 80% of its life at sea, it watches and glares at the sun's horizon, wondering when its next meal will come. Albatrosses are indeed the largest seabirds in the world, and they can live up to 50 years. There are also 22 species of albatrosses in its biological family. Being able to fly as fast as 60 miles per hour, all albatrosses fly out to sea to catch fish, squid, crustaceans, and other small animals they can find in order to feed their chicks and feed for themselves. This is the wandering albatross.